Did you know lentils are a powerhouse of nutrients? Often overshadowed by more popular legumes, these small but mighty seeds are a treasure trove of wholesome goodness. With a spectrum of varieties ranging from the vibrant red and green lentils to the earthy black and brown ones, each type brings with it a unique mix of benefits. Rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and packed with plant-based protein, lentils truly stand out in the world of nutrition. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into what makes lentils a superfood. Lentils are packed with essential nutrients that your body will thank you for. Now let's delve into the nutritional benefits of this humble legume. Lentils are an incredible source of plant-based protein, vital for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Each cup of cooked lentils gifts us with nearly 18 grams of protein, making it a fantastic option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based protein into their diet. But it doesn't stop there. Lentils are also a fiber powerhouse, supporting digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. And the soluble fiber in lentils has another trick up its sleeve. It works to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Iron is another nutrient where lentils shine. They are rich in iron, essential for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. Lentils are loaded with polyphenols that protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Furthermore, the combination of fiber and complex carbohydrates in lentils helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This makes them a great food choice for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. When it comes to weight management, lentils are a real winner. They are low in calories and fat, but high in fiber and protein, making them a filling and satisfying food. And for bone health, lentils are a good source of folate and magnesium, both of which are important for preventing osteoporosis. Plus, thanks to their complex carbohydrates, lentils provide a sustained release of energy, making them an ideal food for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. As you can see, lentils are a nutritional powerhouse. Now that you're aware of the multiple health benefits of lentils, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate them into my diet? Well, the good news is that lentils are incredibly versatile and can be a delicious addition to a variety of dishes. For a hearty and warming meal, you could try a lentil soup, packed with vegetables and spices. Or, for something lighter, a lentil salad with fresh greens and a tangy vinaigrette can be a refreshing lunch option. Lentils can also add a protein punch to your favorite pasta sauce, or you could experiment with lentil curries for a flavorful and filling dinner. And let's not forget lentil burgers, a fantastic plant-based alternative to traditional meat patties. Lentils can be as simple or as adventurous as your culinary skills and taste buds desire. Remember, your health is your wealth. By incorporating lentils into your diet, you're investing in your health. Thank you for joining us on this lentil journey.